Hi guys, let's be versatile today. We're gonna make carrot oil, a recipe with a difference, with a twist. So here I have my grated carrot, I have extra virgin olive oil, and I already filled one bottle. So I placed the carrot into the jar and I poured the olive oil over it. I'm going to put the jars into a pot with boiling water and let it cook for about 30 minutes. And with that procedure, that method is going to bring the oils from the carrot into the olive oil. So the olive oil will be infused with the carrot. Yeah, so I'm just putting this here, showing you what I have done. Right. So I'm going to continue to fill these bottles and I'm going to put it to cook. So here's our next step. The water is boiling and I'm going to put this tea towel in there. And I'm going to place, come on, don't do that. I'm going to place the bottles on top of it. I need to open it out a bit more. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm placing the lids on top of the bottles, on top of the jars, and I'm going to put the lid on for the pot. Now I'm leaving this here for half an hour. Okay folks, so the cooking process to extract the oils from the carrot has been finished, and I have been draining the oil here in this bowl, squeezing it out in this strainer or sieve. Yeah, and it's simple. I began filling some bottles already, so I am just going to continue now. Yep, and it's as simple as that. You can use any oil for your carrier oil. So here I use extra virgin olive oil as my carrier oil. You can use coconut oil, or you can probably use vegetable oil also. It depends on what's available to you. So here we are folks. Carrot oil is very beneficial for many things. You can use it on your skin, in your hair, your face. So you can use it for whatever you choose to do. So that's it. Try it and let me know how it went. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you for viewing.